It just started. Okay, hello.
Oh, hi. Welcome back, White.
What pet is pink? I know I have.
We're doing the color challenge. I got yellow, she got pink, and she doesn't want to trade any pets.
Tip. I don't. There's a lot I'm trying to make a neon with. You know what? Fine. Give you a snow cat.
Oh yeah, I can make a mega sometime.
I almost was able to make 2 neons. Okay, fine. They say this trade is fair. Do you think it's fair?
Yeah.
Why do I think I'm overpaying? Except for my pin, because that's free.
But it's the challenge.
Confirm. Okay, let's go.
Pick a color. Alexa, shut up!
Choose a color.
Alexa, choose a color. Alexa, what is Cosmic Latte? Okay, so a purple. Purple. So I have purple.
You
Alexa,
have to.
shut up.
You have
Alexa, choose a color. Alexa, choose a color. Really? I don't have that either. I don't have purple. Alexa, choose a color. Okay, I got yellow again. No, you can have yellow this round, okay? Alexa,
to. Okay.
choose a color. Really?
Hold on.
That's basically pink.
Choose a color.
Alexa, choose a color.
Okay, that didn't work.
Oh, I got green. So I got green. You have yellow.
Okay. Trade you.
Okay, so
I got yellow. Okay.
I don't have any green pets. I don't think I have any green pets.
I could just give the dog back, but I don't think I can.
Avery! That's rude. I know, I'm gonna come get one. Okay? Just get out, please.
I can't just give you your. I can't just give you your dog back.
And I don't have any green pets. I'm re-choosing my color because I don't have any green pets. Alexa, choose a color. Oh, I have brown now.
Brown?
Yeah. Red foxes count as brown, right?
Yeah, I'd call that brown. Anyways, I love that. I love. Okay, I got yellow. What do I have that is yellow? Rubber chicken rattle.
You didn't knock. Yeah? I know, I'm gonna come get one.
Give me your chicken rattle.
I know, I'm gonna come get one. There. You have to put at least one yellow pet on there, though.
I know. And I can't put anything that you gave me that was yellow.
You have to wait at least one round to get stuff back. If that's the color you got.
I don't know what to do. Okay, pets.
That's a pretty weird yellow, if you ask me. What?
Can I just give a dog? No.
We have cake rolls.
That's not true. Okay.
Where are the candy canes?
Yellow.
No. $1 million.
Nuts.
I don't know.
Where are the candy canes? Trin,
Yeah.
so are you gonna finish adding the stuff on there.
I don't know about pets. I don't feel like I have a yellow pet that I want to trade.
It's the challenge.
I don't want to. Do you have enough dingoes to make it? Do you have enough dingoes to make? Do you have enough dingoes to make a neon
Yeah, I have enough dingoes.
or a mega neon?
Yeah,
whatever.
dingoes to make a mega.
Okay, because I was kind of about to give you.
I'll have extras if you want me. If you think all you can find,
What are other neon pets that you're making that are yellow?
I want to make a neon Triceratops, but I only have one.
I don't have a Triceratops.
You just choose a random pet? Okay. Isn't that the dog I just gave you?
No, yours was named Turtle. It was this one. I'll show you.
Oh yeah, you're right.
It's named Turtle.
One thing on there, though.
Turtle.
Daddy, where are they? I don't see them.
It kind of has an orangey yellow on it, so I'll give you that. Oh no, oops. I have a million of
I
them.
don't know which one that is. No.
Is this good?
Yeah.
Okay.
And Charlie, look at this.
Okay, just don't copy colors that we've already done. It's way too hard.
Wait, did you forget that when we were filming this?
What? What?
Did you forget we were filming this?
Me?
Yeah.
Kinda, not really, I don't know. I'm still recording.
Okay, now give me a second. I have to go back upstairs.
Okay. Charlie, are you still here?
Yeah, I'm still here. I know. I just have to ask my Alexa. But I'm downstairs. I have to go back upstairs. So this time I go first because you went first last time.
Do you want me to pick the colors?
No, I'll pick them. Alexa, choose a color. I don't have any green pet. The only green pet I have is a neon buffalo.
Just do it again.
Alexa, choose a different color. Alexa, choose a color. I have red now. Alexa, choose a color. And lilac is a type of pink, so you have pink again?
No, I think lilac is a type of purple.
Yeah, you have purple then.
Okay, great. I don't know what to do now.
Do you just want to redo colors? Because I don't have any red pets that I want to give away.
I don't have a purple pet.
Let's just redo colors.
Is
Alexa, choose a color. I have pink.
Pink?
Alexa, choose a color. You have blue.
So you have pink and I have blue?
Mhm.
Oh gosh, do I have a blue pet? That's something I do not know. I was about to say I have a neon dog, but no, I have a mega neon dog.
That still counts.
I don't want to give it away. Beep, beep, what do I have that's blue? No, I'm not giving this away. I'm not giving this away.
Cats are like super easy to get. I can get a free cat. I can trade a dog for a cat, so I'm just gonna put a cat on there.
What?
Never gonna put a snow cat on.
Okay. I have no blue pets. Actually, I don't have any blue pets. Can you read it?
What about Alexa? Choose a color. Alexa, choose a color. That's yellow.
But we already did yellow twice.
Trin, it still counts.
I cannot stand yellow. I will not take this. How many monkeys? It takes 16 pets of the same pet to make a Mega Neon, right?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have exactly the amount of monkeys to make a Mega Neon.
Do?
Yeah.
One of my dream pets is a neon monkey.
That'd be all my monkeys, though.
I just need 2 more monkeys, actually.
Do you have any pins that have yellow on them? That has yellow on it. So that has yellow on it. Oh, I hate this. I hate this. Why do I have to always have one? Start from the bottom of my inventory. Up. The Bandicoot is kind of yellow. Is that yellow?
Yeah. Yeah, I guess we can count it as yellow.
Because I have no yellow pets. I have no, yellow pets.
A yellow toy?
What?
Rubber chicken, whatever this thing is.
Wait. What? Put that again? I want that.
But it's not yellow, so you can't have it.
Yeah. Oh, jeez. Oh, gosh. I need to just get back to this. What? This video is already 13 minutes long.
It's fine.
And my limit is 15 minutes, though.
We might not get to record the whole thing.
Okay, I'll just...
Fuchsia is like a pinkish purple.
I don't...
And that's your color.
Hold on.
So you can do pink.
Show me a picture of fuchsia.
What?
You'll need to unlock your iPhone first.
Oh, jeez. Okay. See if it's more purpley or more pinky.
Here are some images of fuchsia I found on the web.
It's more of a pink.
So we'll say you got pink. Alexa,
Okay.
choose a color.
We have one.
Electric violet.
Okay. Wait, what color did you had red, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm guessing the tongue was your red part of the dog. Was the tongue the red part of the dog?
Yeah.
Okay, so you had red, I had brown. Okay. Put a crate stroller, hot dog, boomerang thingy, otter, and put a dog, a pen, roller skates, flashlight. This is the last one I'm doing on this video. You might do one more after. Okay, that's it. This video is about to go to limit. It's literally at 14:55 seconds. Bye everyone.